Oh, it has been a minute. Welcome. If this is your first video, then be sure to go check out some of the other stuff just out the gate. Those of you who already subscribed, this is mainly a video for you guys because me and my family, we did a thing. And I think this is really gonna help with the quality of the content that I have envisioned for this channel. Not necessarily video quality because I film and edit myself and I'm not that great at it.
Oh, what a loser!
But as far as the content for the channel, this is gonna help a bunch. So look at this, guys. Check this out. I'm so excited to show you guys this. Oh yeah! Your boy got a shop. Let's take a tour. Look at this door open. It takes 2 hands.
I bet.
All right, bay door is open. Let me spin you guys around. Oh yeah, what a mess. What an absolute mess. Now, I will tell y'all, I am just renting this space, unfortunately, because this is an amazing spot. But it is such a blessing to be able to have this. And coming from an apartment as a kind of an automotive YouTuber, I look to get back into off-roading. Don't have anything right now. But with all that being said, it's really hard to try to do that kind of content living in an apartment. So getting this is an ultimate blessing, and I really hope that it's gonna help me deliver the content I'm looking to deliver for this channel. Entertain you guys along the way. Let me take a tour. And kind of my plan. I have a walkthrough door. Needs some work. Kind of a, door trim thing gets kind of stuck, and as you can see, it's not perfect. The shop is not perfect, but it's absolutely perfect for me.
Hey, this is perfect.
Like, I can't express enough like how much of a blessing this is. But you don't mind all that. Obviously we had to throw the Texas flag up. First and foremost, y'all know what's up. I am a proud Texan, so that had to go up.
Texas in the his house.
Probably gonna fill the wall with some more art. Finally got a place to put up the LS Fest poster that I got from LS Fest this obviously past few months ago. Shout out to AVS. I also plugged them in one of the blue Chevy videos. Those guys hooked it up. I ordered some parts from them and they just threw all kinds of goodies in there. But great company, so I had to rep them, Shout out to AVS. A little American flag. I'll get a full size one. We do have an American flag flying on the I don't know if you can see it up there. Yep. I threw a flag on the flagpole, proud American.
Proud to be an American.
But got that up there. Got a little old school Texas made garage. Boy, that's throwback for my friends and family from 10, 12 years ago. Boy, that name spurred into the old channel. Had to put the banner up as a homage to Alan and Aaron, even though doing my own thing now, still had to put the banner up, you know what I mean? Like I said, just pay homage in the shop. Shout out to the old school days. But probably toolboxes and shelving all there. Obviously I've got my little box. I went and bought this today from Harbor Freight. Shout out to Harbor Freight. That way I can get all of the hardware that's in those deals here. I've years and years and years of just stacking hardware, different bolts, nuts, washers.
Is that how you say that?
Washers, stuff like that. So I can get those bins freed up, put it in there, and I think that's gonna go on top of the green toolbox, I believe. Also, one thing y'all can see in here is it's not very bright. It's got one little lonely light, and they're not even LED. So at night, it is not very bright in here. This little workbench that I have with these 2 little lights, now that it's the only one that's working, it's helped a lot, and that's crazy to think, right? Lighting is an absolute must. That's probably the first upgrade I'm gonna do in the shop. Secondly, need shelving. Like I said, probably put shelves and banners, stuff like that over there. Just shop decor. But I need to get shelving. Shelving is like a number 2. Gotta have. As you can see, I'm still trying to move in. Got a bunch of stuff, spare metal part, buckets for oil, brand new oil deals, the pressure washer, tools and amplifiers, speakers, spare parts.
But wait, there's more.
My kitty litter, stuff I don't have a home for yet in boxes. So I need to get shelving. Gotta get shelving.
I need it.
The folks that we're renting from are gonna leave this one in here for us. So I get at least to use this big cabinet, which I'm probably gonna fill up with, kind of already started, putting oils and lubricants, stuff like that. That is the owner's air compressor. He's gonna take that. He has another shop on his property, so that's gonna go there. I think that's gonna go. I don't have access to the big shop out there, so if you see it in the background, not mine, not using that one. They're still using it for storage, so that's the story on that shop if y'all ever ask on that. But what's cool about this shop too, look at this. Paint booth, and no, that's not mine. Unfortunately, that is a badass little C10. Buddy of mine that's working with his kid. I think it's gonna be his kid's truck. That's just here for them to finish. I guess they're gonna paint it, and then it's gonna come out of here. Little paint booth, nothing crazy. I mean, I'm not a paint and body guy, but now that we have it, may try to use it. All this stuff is, I think, going as well. I mean, if he leaves the shelves, I could definitely use them, as I was just saying, but I'm not holding my breath on it. There's something moving around over here. I don't know where it's at, but I hear it. Man, better not be no daggum snake. That's the other thing while I'm ready to clean this up. There's some holes where you can see some mice been getting in and out of here, and I think that's probably what's on the other side of that wall right there. I'm not going to jack around over here because y'all are going to see me run off like a little girl if something comes running out of there, boy.
Yeah, it's gonna be a no for me.
Double bay shop. Take you on the outside so y'all can see. 2 bay. Again, nothing crazy. Plenty of space. Way more space than I had at the apartment. So anyway, back to my plans in here. I'm probably gonna leave this little alleyway as far as storage. They are leaving the lawnmower because this is quite a few acres out here that's gonna have to be maintained. So I've started to call it the HyLo compound. I don't know. I mean, corny, I know, but whatever.
It's lame.
I'm just gonna roll with it. But yeah, so that's probably gonna just fit right in this area when this is all freed up. And then just like my camping stuff, if we ever get another 4-wheeler, which I'm looking to get a 4-wheeler for some of the off-road content, just to kind of heads up. If that's your cup of tea, make sure you stick around and subscribe. A 4-wheeler, a couple of them over in this area. Like I said, I've been able to put the camping gear on the shelves here. That's why I have this workbench the way I do, is that way I can work and fab and stuff like that here, but I also can utilize the shelves. So it's kind of this in the middle of the floor. Yeah, here's the shop in all its glory. Sorry I've been missing you guys for the past month. Like I said, just actually had to have another surgery on my mouth. Wisdom teeth thing has been a nightmare. So excuses, I know, I'm so sorry. But now that we got a shop, I'm hoping we can do some awesome and amazing content as far as build stuff like that I really want to do in here. So be sure to stick around. Again, I have no idea what I'm doing on most of the stuff, so it should be entertaining for you guys. Let me know what you think about the shop, what I should do with it, outside of furnishing it, which is first and foremost something I gotta do. I will say this big open space right here sure is calling my name for a project. Just letting y'all know, there may be something coming up, so stick around for that. Gotta get back on the blue Chevy. We're this close to being done bagging it. So again, excuses, just stick around, stick with me. But as I was saying, if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for subbing up. We're almost to the 145 mark. It's a huge deal for me. Doesn't mean anything else to it doesn't mean a thing to anyone else, but it means the world to me. So help me get to 145. 150 would be sick by the end of the month. It's a tall order, but anyway, enough rambling. Again, guys, hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios, amigos.